Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about all brushes from faces to eye makeup. And yes, this is one of the most requested video as well. Reason being, whenever I happen to lift a brush and do my makeup, a lot of different question pops up. Which is that foundation brush you're using? Which is that concealer brush? Which is that brush you use to put that glitter for your inner corner highlights? So yes, I heard you all. And today is the day I'm going to talk about all of the interesting brushes, and I would say all of the brushes I'm going to show you today are functional. None of the brushes are going to stay idle into your vanity. And by the end of the video, in my description, I will be leaving links to the brushes which you can just go ahead and buy for yourself. Not every brush set is made for you. You need not buy whatever you see in the market, fancy looking, beautiful looking. Not everything is made for us. You will be wasting a lot of money there. So by seeing this video, you will be saving a lot of money, energy. You really don't have to hunt a brush. You can just directly go and pick a brush for yourself. And without making this intro any longer, let's get started. So I have divided the video in two parts. In the first part, I'm going to talk about the face brushes, and in the second part, I'm going to talk about the eye brushes. Now, before I start showing you any of the brushes here, always keep your tools clean. So once you use a brush twice or thrice on the face, please go ahead and wash it off and put it for dry. Never use a brush more than 2 to 3 times. If you do so, then it will lead to acne, it will lead to some kind of skin irritation, and you'll be wondering how it suddenly happened. It is because of the tools you're using. So always clean your brushes timely. Now let's just jump on the first face brush. So since we do the foundation first, you should always invest in a good kabuki brush, something like this. It's a flat kabuki brush. It's by Mars Cosmetic. After discount, you can get this brush easily for 280 rupees. Now this is how the brush is. It's a flat brush and it is rightly dense. It's not very fluffy on the top. Now what basically it does, you apply the foundation with your fingers, take the brush and start blending. The best thing about this kabuki brush, it does not leave any brush marks on the skin. It blends the product like magic. Today also, magic. So I did my blush and my highlighter as well with a kabuki brush, with another kabuki brush. But a kabuki brush is going to be more of a multi-purpose brush which can work with your any creme products. So always invest in a good kabuki brush and always have 2 kabuki brushes with you, so that once you're done with one brush and you feel ab nahi use kar sakte, you should have the second one ready. So Mars Cosmetic is a better option and a good option because it is affordable and you can have like 2 to 3 of them. So yes, kabuki brush is a must do. So a lot of you after foundation happens to use a concealer. Now I'm a person who also use concealer at times, but I do not use a blender to blend the product. I always use a brush. Which is that brush you should pick up? You should pick up a brush something like this. I'll give you a little closer. This is a very medium sized brush which is not very fluffy, which is not very dense. Now this brush is by BH Cosmetic. You have a similar brush in PAC Cosmetic as well. I will leave all the links in my description. Now this brush can easily go underneath your eyes. It can go in the corners of your nose. It can go onto precise places, and you can do precise application of concealer. You can even do color correction with this brush. So you should always have a brush which is not very huge, which is not very small, something in between which can do a lot for your face. So if you haven't invested in a good concealer brush, then something like this will do the job for you, and a perfect job which does not leave any brush marks as well, and it just blends the product to perfection. More than a beauty blender, you will start loving a concealer brush because it takes away the excess product as well. So yes, a concealer brush is again something which I highly recommend. Next up, a contour brush. Now a contour brush is something which you would need only if you do contouring. You can even do your bronzing with it, but I would say if you are not into contouring, do not buy. It's not needed, it's not a must-have. But I happen to do a contouring some more times, and I like this particular brush only for my contouring. Is the Rene Cosmetic Contour R3 brush. Now when you see the brush, you see how nicely it is done. It's not very thick, it's not very dense, it's rightly fluffy. It allows the product to blend nicely. So you see the shape, you can place the product and you can simultaneously blend the product. So a lot of you have seen those flat, sharp edged, very dense contour brush. Do not buy those. Buy this. This is going to put the product and you can simultaneously blend the product, and you really don't have to buy like 2 different brushes. So if you are into contouring, this is the one. This is the perfect brush which I've been using past 7 years. And I would definitely buy more brushes by Rene Cosmetic because the quality is really up notch. You see the brush still looks a brand new brush. So yes, a beautiful contour brush by Rene Cosmetic, which you should invest only if you are into contouring. The next 2 brushes are multi-purpose. You can use it for your powder application as well as you can use the brush for your blush application, and both the brushes look a little different from each other. The first up is this BH Cosmetic. This is a very fluffy, nice, huge brush which can give nice blush application. A powder blush application is like a beautiful application with this one. So if you are someone like me who has a round and a huge face, you can definitely invest in something like this. It's like a very easy application. You can even do your full face of powder with this brush. Another interesting brush which I have is by BH Cosmetic. Again, it is from one of the sets I have. This brush, you see, again, it is a little narrow on top, but it's again fluffy on the top, and it is again not very dense. It's not very fluffy, which does not take the product nicely. It picks up the product, places the product really nicely. So I do like my powder with this one as well as I do my blush with this one whenever I feel I need a very precise application. So always have like 2 different brushes like these in different shapes and size so that you can use them for multi-purpose. I even use this brush for my bronzer application at times. So yes, 2 interesting brushes which you should definitely invest if you're looking for like, you know, multi-purpose brushes. Quickly moving into this video, next up I have a brush which I highly recommend. You should get it if you are someone who applies powder foundation. Now liquid foundation everyone applies, but a powder foundation you need a brush if you are using a very basic, you know, base. But a brush application really makes it more even and more cleaner. Something like this. Like, it's not a very fluffy brush. It is somewhat like, you know, fluffy. It's dense from here, then it turns a bit here, and then it gets fluffy on the top. So what basically this brush would do is, like, you can just pick up the product like this. You can just press the product, press the product, press the product. So this brush I generally use for my powder foundation application. It really presses the product well and takes away the excess. You can even do your bronzing with it if you want. It really applies the bronzer well. So yes, again a multi-purpose brush, but something which I feel is well done for powder application, like basically the powder foundation, to have a nice, you know, perfected base going on. So if you haven't invested in something like this, then you might as well look into something like this because this is really well done brush. So another step, highlighter. A brush is a must for a good highlighter application, and you should always invest in a good brush, and something like this would do the magic for you. So this is a brush which is like your typical eye blending brush, but it's not an eye brush, it's a face brush. So it's little longer, it's a little fluffier, and it has a little oval shape on the top. So basically what it does, you pick up the highlighter and you just do this. So it really perfectly sits onto the higher points of your face, your nose, and your this side of the face, you wherever you want to put it. It's a very precise application for highlighter. So yes, if you haven't invested in a good highlighter brush, then this is the one to go for. This is by the brand, I think Sheen Cosmetics se maine ye liya tha. I remember, not cosmetics, Sheen.com, when it was available in India. And you have a very similar brush in Wet n Wild as well. I have like 3 brushes of highlighter. So yes, you should always have a highlighting brush which will definitely give you that nice, precise, good application, and it simultaneously blends the product as well. So if you haven't invested in a highlighter brush, then there you have it. And lastly, a universal face brush which is rightly sized, and I feel this brush can do a lot. And when I am traveling and I don't want to carry a lot of brushes, this is the brush I generally travel with, is this verified #01 brush. Now this is a brush which is very differently shaped, I would say. Like you would feel कि ये तो ऐसे triangular है, ऊपर जाके fluffy हो जाता है. No, but there is a little bend here. Now what this brush basically do, it gives you a nice powder application, it gives you a nice bronzer application, blush application, and it can just do the whole face. So if you are looking for that universal one brush and you really don't want to buy all the other brushes I happen to show you, and for starter you want to have that nice brush, a good quality one, then Verified is it. I love the brush quality here. I have recently picked up more brushes by them. So yes, a universal brush for all of you, because I know not everyone is interested in buying like 5 different brushes. So you can just buy one kabuki brush, one this brush, and I think you are done and sorted. So yes, a beautiful brush by Verified which you can look into. So there you discovered some beautiful face brushes, but there is this one brush which I would say never buy, is a fan brush, a huge fan brush. It's of no use. It basically for highlighting purpose, but when you start to use that huge fan brush, your highlighter is all over your face. So avoid using those, or maybe buying a huge fan brush. If you still like it, then continue using it. But if you ask me, I have like 3 to 4 fan brushes and none of them I have used because they do not perform the way they are supposed to. Now talking about some beautiful eye brushes, the second part of the video. So it was a little more easier for me to pick up the eye brushes. Reason being, eye makeup is something which my whole style and format has changed, and very few brushes I can do my eye. Now talking about the first 3 brushes, blending brushes. You should always have different format and different size of blending brushes. Now quickly talking about the 3 blending brushes I have, they all 3 look a little more similar to each other, but they are not. Now talking about this one is a complete, you see it's like a straight up medium size blending brush. It is fluffy on the top and dense from down. So basically what you do with this one, you pick up your mat, you start blending the shadow. So a nice blending can happen with this one. Second one is a little bigger version of the first one I showed you. So if you have like big eyes like me, or for that matter if you have hooded eyes and you want like a fuller application, you can pick up this one. So a little product goes a longer way with the huge blending brushes. And the next one, I have a flat blending brush. So it is like flat from down below and then it gets a little fluffy on the top. This is how it is. And now what exactly happens, you pick up a shadow, you pack it, and then you blend the harsh edges. So you should always have 3 to 4 different blending brushes, because all of the blending brushes are going to perform differently onto your eyes, as well as the number of various different shadows you have in your palette. So 3 blending brushes are enough. So after discovering 3 blending brushes, another brush which you should invest in when you are into eye makeup is a very small blending brush. Now why this? Because you already have 3 different blending brushes. Sometimes you would have seen a lot of content creators doing this very precise eye look, wherein a lot of different shadows go into play. So कभी-कभी आप एक dark shadow ले लेते हो और आपको सिर्फ outer corner पे ही लगाना है. So a small blending brush really does a perfect job. So what basically you do, you take the product, you pack it with this, and you gently blend the product. So since the brush is not huge, the product is not mixing with another shadow and making it look harsh and gray. So always have a very small blending brush. Now with this brush, you can even do your lower lash line. So it is a multi-purpose brush. Now since we were talking about this one, there's another brush which you should invest in, is something like this. So it's not a flat brush completely, but it is a small, flat, a very dense brush. What it does is allow you to do your lower lash line very precisely. If you want to do a shadow eyeliner as well, this brush works well. So you can basically put your gel liners also, and you can blend with this kind of a brush. So both of these brushes are beautiful, again by Mars Cosmetic. So Mars Cosmetic has this one set which is for 2000 rupees, but in a discount may you easily get up to 1200 rupees, 2000 rupees, and you get close to 6 brushes in that set. Buy that set, you are done and sorted, because a lot of brushes, like all the brushes for that matter, are functional, and these 2 brushes are from that set only. So again, beautiful invention and something which you will be using. So you would have seen me doing a lot of different eye looks in the past, wherein I used to do my looks completely with glitters only, or only with pigments, or I just want to have that precise look with a eyeshadow, but I cannot pick up that fluffy blending brush or a packing brush. There I happen to use my flat brushes. The one I have by is Morphe, which is very flat, very precise flat brush hai. Now what happens is you can pick up any shadow like your matte as well. You can pick up a glitter, you can pick up a shimmer, pack the shadow. Only packing can be done with this one. Pack it, and then you can pick up your small blending brush and blend the harsh edges. So for that intense look, I happen to use this brush. Now another small packing brush I have, which is again flat. You can see how small it is. Now with this I use a lot of things. Now one thing which I do with this is packing my inner corner and my brow bone. So it's a very precise brush which can give you a lot. You can even do like a little liner also with this kind of a brush. So always invest into good packing brushes, and these 2, you can see how different they are from each other. And the last 2 brushes for your eye look is, one is a spoolie and the second one is an eyeliner pencil, or you would even call it as a lip pencil, but this is an eyeliner pencil. This is by Rufa Beauty RB01. Now this one you need for your eyebrows. You should always have an extra spoolie apart from your eyebrow pencil spoolie. This is just not for eyebrows. Sometimes when you put a mascara also and gets crumbly, you want to separate them, you can just do this and you can separate them instantly. You really don't have to put an extra product again. So you can do so much with this one. So you need this brush. This is by PAC Cosmetic, PAC 184 brush. The next brush is the eyeliner brush. Now again, this I use for my eyeliner. Sometimes when I'm using a different shadow, I want to have a precise application. That time I use this pencil, or I would say the brush, and inner corners, brow bone, ridge of my nose, this area. So very precise application ke liye you need a brush like this, and you can even fill in your lips and all that. So yes, this brush may look a little not so required brush, so think about it and then buy. But this is something which I have used from every set I have bought so far, and I cannot get enough of these. So these 2 brushes are very important brushes, very underrated, but something which will definitely add up to your eye look, as well as once you start using them, you will understand how important they are. And there you discover some well done eye brushes as well. All of the eye brushes which I happen to show you today are functional. None of the brushes would sit idle into your vanity. Talking about the face brushes, they are also well done, and all of the brushes which I happen to show you are mainly from brands like PAC Cosmetic, BH Cosmetic, Verified, Rufa Beauty, Rane Cosmetic, and if I'm forgetting, Mars Cosmetics. So a lot of brands I've tested in the past, and these are some of the trusted brands, as well as the brushes I happen to show you. They give me that perfect base to my eye look. If you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up. If you really want to share this video, consider sharing this video to your friends as well, because who doesn't like to buy some good tools if they are into makeup. I will be here soon with some more interesting video. Consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in another interesting video. Everything will be linked and listed in my description. Till then, you take care and ta-da!